Hi everyone, today is Sunday. Sunday we're going to Tarlac with Shaira and Shaira relatives.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon. We're going to Concepcion Tarlac and we're give some donations like toys, clothes, and shoes. And we're going to send to some people there in Tarlac. And Leon driving right now.
Take a look, this is road close. How we drive with road close. Okay, we will try. Oh, this is car 4125. It's your father driver. Drive it. It's not easy to drive before. And we're turning to Magalang Road. From Angeles to Magalang Road. It's main road. Turn left. Already in Magalang. This is center of Magalang city. Magalang town. It's part of Pampanga. This is market. Magalang public market. This is Magalang City Hall. We already before, maybe 3 years ago, filming here with motor. Diesel cheaper than in Angeles, in Magalang. We already in Tarlac. Bridge. This is center of Concepcion, Tarlac. Jollibee, McDonald's also. Sunday, many people. KFC also have.
But in happiest here, it's more people, more traffic.
More traffic.
Yes.
Even now traffic.
No, it's not.
It's not
like
traffic.
Normal only.
Normal, okay.
Yes.
Oh, broken house.
Old house.
Old, very old. 3 children in the motor. Already to Capas. From Concepcion to Capas. I'm first time here. Shaira, but you? First time? Second?
I'm young, we go here to have celebrate some fiesta here. And last year, we've been here.
We already arrived.
Going inside.
This is not wide road. Inside between houses.
Hi guys, we're here already in Capas Tarlac. It's Santa Monica, and we're going to in this place.
So I park in another house. These Philippine people live here. Hello. So many children here.
It means
It's blessed, I know. It's so many things. shoes, clothes also. Shaira, hold camera.
Daming dito. Kami kaya mo yung buhatan. Ito? Ito? Oo. Sige nga. Oh. Bakit mo ba sa ano? Bahay. Lo. Lo, mo. Wow!
It's all. And another car also.
Yes, in another car also. I will take.
Right.
Better take. Mabay ayan. Mabay ayan. Yan na mo. Ay, mabay ayan ah.
Marami ka.
Oh, good looking with dress. Model. Same like Pamela. Young Pamela, same. How old are you now? 5 already.
But you know how to speak in English, a little bit Russian. She can sing Russian also.
Sing Russian.
Yes.
English. English daw.
It's okay. She shy now. I know.
Ayusin mo yung ano. 1, 2, 3. Pa, 1, 2, 3. Sige pa. Ganyan na. Sige, ganyan.
So many cats. Also. Sari store. Oh, ducks also. Ducks have. Yeah, ducks. Yeah. Close. 2 cars close.
So hi guys, I will gonna show the place here or how they live here in Kapas Tarlac where my relatives also live. Let's go. So this is the house. So first of all, you need to remove your shoes or your slippers. And then this is the living room. This is the bedroom, like small room. And this is their kitchen. Go inside. I will show to you also the kitchen here. This is the kitchen inside.
This is dirty kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, kitchen.
Have chicken also.
Chicken.
If you want to go another side also there in the back. So guys, if you have some restless here or you can help people here in Kapas Tarlac, you can like send only a little bit. Like you can send so that we can also donate to another people here in Kapas Tarlac and we can give in this Christmas also. Thank you.
Okay, show Shaira another side.
Yes. Oh. So we're going to in the back. This is the back home. Sometimes we always go here every May because have festival here, and we always go here to like celebrate the fiesta here.
But what, it's another house?
Yes, it's another house there. and we need to, what is this? We need to help them. So if our subscriber can help us, just only message to our email or in our YouTube, send some sponsor or some donation also, so that we can share in Christmas and New Year. Thank you. Farm here.
Ay, palatat. Nandiyan ako daan.
This is the farm. As you can see, it's so good.
Who owns this farm?
I don't know who owns the farm here. It's so big land.
Or government?
Pero atin yung kay Karen, dati lang wala mo makanining.
Basta magpakay ka drone something.
Have also, they have land also. They said.
And then you can see the whole in Concepcion. This one Barrio Concepcion.
I have drone. It's an old drone DJI Spark. I hack this drone. This drone can use even pod, but I not use, of course. Most of new drones cannot use the iPod, but this old drone can use Spark. I have only 2 battery. Battery already not good. Take a look, is already, but 1 battery before can use maybe 20 minutes, now maybe 10 minutes. But I full charge already. Fully charge. I use application for Spark. So first need to wait GPS signal. If have GPS signal, we can use drone. Without GPS signal, we can use only visual mode. Visual, take a look, already have GPS signal. So, and drone, if
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
update not need, because if update, so this is drone and it can use only 10 minutes with 1 battery. So take a look, this one drone. So we start. For start drone need only sticker. Yes. And I start video now. So start video, going to up. So it's now 15 meters only. This is only 15 meters. We're going up. We're going to, it's already 25 meters.
I cannot see.
Yeah, it's already 50 meters. 50 meters. We try to go into the 100 meters more. And we can show to you already Concepcion Tarlac from the 100 meters. Now 75 meters only. It's already 105 meters.
Even you cannot see the drone in the top.
Yes.
Cannot see.
120 meters already. $155 meters right now. And from this side we can see also Arayat. From 180 meters you can see Arayat also.
What?
Wow! Uy, ganda naman yan. So beautiful.
It's already 230 meters right now.
Soon have rain.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. So this is drone unlocked and I can use until half kilometers. It's 500 meters. Now 280 meters. So it's enough, I think enough. 170 meters right now. And we can see right now Tarlac Conception, also Tarlac City. It's far, a little bit far. So as you see, it's, in the video from the drone, so many flooded, so many water in the field. And you can see also water, rain now. You see it's rain. And cloudy also here. It's cloudy. 165 meters right now. And I will go down landing because battery now only 5 minutes. Shaira, how many minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes for going to for landing. It's okay. I hope it's enough for landing.
Mm-hmm. It's good view here. Not so noisy. It's fresh air. I cannot see the drone yet.
Yes.
Already here. I see. But you can see only it's small. But where? Again.
This is 160 meters right now. You can see drone already. No, not need to show where it's far. You can in the video cannot
Okay.
see. This is farm, and this is Conception. All houses is Conception. And this is road when we use. It's already 100 meters. As you can see, it's all houses built near road. All houses built near road. We use this road to go here.
Low battery warning.
Yeah, low battery already warning. That's why it's.
Need to.
Yes, we already landing, but now it's drone. I hope it's drone not. Take a look, so many
Birds.
birds. Yes, birds. It's 408 meters. I hope it's
Going down.
Going down, not fall down.
Yes.
Because I don't know if battery warning, but 30 meters right now. Okay. Landing. Shaira won't now go to the farm and show to you farm. Where Shaira farm?
There in the front. But these three can put in food.
Ah, can eat this?
Yeah, this one, the smallest.
Smallest
Yes,
smallest
it's
leaf.
good for paksiw. It's like sour fish. So next May 2026. So we're going here so that you can know, or you know how to say, you experience what the festival here.
Oh, someone built house also. Good house.
It's good house. It's big.
Aha, good and big.
Yes, I like. So we go and sit.
I don't know.
I see
You go first.
old. Wait,
Dog.
try not to.
Maybe dog is good, you see. Oh.
I wish he not bite us.
No, have many dogs. Many dogs. Oh, he said, no, I don't want to bite you. Afraid?
Of course.
I'm also afraid.
Simin, what is this? Simin, Thailand.
Thailand, what is near Thailand?
Temple.
Yeah.
So many, what name?
Good. Have antenna for internet, 5G also.
Oh, so many
Oh, so many ducks. So many ducks.
Yaga manginis. Magana ka ako, yaga manginis. Ay, kami dito pa
That's why so many ducks, because have water. Yeah, have water.
Oh, I remember I've been in my province that time in Bicol. We also do like this. Put some plant. It's like seed or the small seed of the rice. And we take some, the snail and we eat.
Snail eat?
Yes, from farm. That's normal.
What name of a bird, Shaira?
Bird.
No, what name?
I don't know.
And as you can see already, this is main road to Kapas.
You know the duck egg, it's more good. They do it for balot. Tama ba? Ba, yung balot po, galing niya po kayong kaya. Duck. Ay, itik niya po ita. O, iting duck po. From duck, we use for salted egg.
Salted egg.
Yes, and also balut and penoy. But also have another type of ducks or birds that can lay some egg. But this one, it's so big.
Yes.
So many. But it's good for business,
Okay, you can do business with duck. Duck business, Shaira.
Wait only, I will fix it.
It's good looking.
Tagak. They call it tagak. You know the bird, white bird.
Tagak.
Tagak.
Tagak, okay.
Thank you
Tagak,
po.
tagak, gamot.
I'm not tagak, okay?
Joke only. Joke. Dog waiting for you, Shaira.
Where?
I see.
It's duckling.
Duck. And dog also.
Oh, papaya. This one is papaya.
Papaya everywhere here. Even near our home, papaya. We drive to Kapas Tarlac from Mabalacat. It's about 45 minutes. But now Sunday traffic. We slowly drive. But maybe another day we can travel more faster.
At nagkaratan na.
Now start rain and we're waiting now. So many clothes they give. Umbrella?
Iyan. No.
Shaira not allowed. Umbrella.
Because she won't go outside.
That rain right now. Okay. We This is Conception, Tarlac Conception Road. Handmade Christmas decoration from the bottle. Home right now. Shaira, we will use NLEX Expressway. Okay. The center of Conception again, Tarlac Conception. Pure gold Conception and start heavy rain. Sometimes have rain, sometimes don't have rain. Start heavy rain, heavy rain. SCTEX Magalang can use NLEX. Rain already stopped and the people outside, already many people outside.
They go to church.
Yeah, Sunday people go to church. In already expressway, we can turn to expressway. Balance 1158. Oh, City Mall also have. It's good. In McDonald's, Jollibee also inside. 7-Eleven. Near New Clark City traffic right now. Many people going to home already. Come back to home to Manila. Sunday evening. Station Mall also have. Yeah, near Mabalacat, Mabiga exit Dao. So straight it's in Lex and right Mabiga. Mabiga it's near our home. Ruchaway traffic here. Electric is last day working. Last day, tomorrow already not allowed. Tomorrow MacArthur Highway not allowed electric. And confiscate, police confiscate. Yeah, police. The police is because today many people go to the church. That's why police. Yeah, it's church. Someone so fast to drive, not give way. But I will give way, of course. I understand. McDonald's. So we stop in McDonald's now. McDonald's.
Available part there?
What?
Anong cuts gusto?
Thigh. Kung may thigh or leg.
Thigh or leg, sabi ko.
So many coins. I know, Shaira like. What you like, Shaira?
Chicken and iced coffee.
Chicken, iced coffee, chocolate. I know. Chicken, okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, many people in McDonald's right now. Take a look. McDonald's Камачилис Мабалакат.
Where I worked before.
Yes, Shaira worked before in this McDonald's.
Maybe soon I will work in
She won't again work in McDonald's. Yes, this is McDonald's. Why so many people here? Ah, they play basketball. They play basketball. And traffic in our road.
Because soon have fiesta here in our...
Fiesta?
Yes. In our place.
In this church.
Hi everyone, we're just come back from Tarlac and we're just arrived here in home with Leon, and thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.